Meteorologist Chelsea Brown.
Welcome back. The time is now 6:50. It is Saturday, and we are tracking that potential for some severe weather as we go throughout the rest of the day. Stepping out the door right now, though, we are seeing lots of cloud coverage and maybe just a bit of drizzly conditions outside. Some light showers as well closer to that Mississippi-Alabama state line further up to the north, where we are just seeing those lighter showers making their way across the area. All these showers this morning are going to be staying under the severe levels that we will be seeing this afternoon. And in Starkville, the rainfall and cloudy conditions is not the only thing that we are seeing. 63 degrees, warm temperatures well above where we were yesterday and well above average for this time of year. And the southerly flow is going to help build in some more of that moisture, 7 miles per hour right now, and that's going to pick up as we go throughout the rest of the morning hours. Temperatures, though, looking out the door right now, 63 in Tupelo, 63 up towards Corinth, as well as 63 in Macon. So all sitting about the same as you step out the door, and we are going to continue to warm up as we push throughout the rest of the afternoon. 69 in New Albany, and then warming up to 71 in Tupelo. Those clouds do try to break up a little bit, so some of these temperatures could even be seeing 75. All we're missing is the sunshine, just lots of cloud and rain throughout the rest of the afternoon. 73 in Starkville for your high, 74 in Kosciuszko. As we do go throughout the rest of the day, we are seeing that risk of severe weather. Most places are under a level 3 risk, and that's going to be north of Highway 82, including places near Corinth, Coffeyville, Amory, West Point, and then south of Highway 82, that is a level 2 risk. This is going to be the number of reports that we are seeing, so the higher risk areas are more likely to see some more severe weather reports than level 2. And if I do track that out for you on Storm Tracker, we are just seeing lots of cloud coverage covering the area throughout the morning hours, and a few lighter showers making their way across the area. You can start to see some of these clouds trying to break up, letting in a little more of that sunshine, and you can see it a little better as we go throughout closer towards the lunchtime hours. Some of these clouds trying to break up, but we are seeing more dry conditions as we near that lunchtime and building some more of that instability that is going to help fuel some more of these severe weather risks as we do go closer to that afternoon hour. Just some lighter showers building into the area with a few heavier spots, but that severe weather is still right outside of our area. This is at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Severe weather right outside of our area making its way closer. See, these storms are more in a linear fashion as we go closer towards Oxford, Coffeyville, Grenada, and that's going to be bringing those straight line winds, but that can do damage as well, just as much damage as a tornado sometimes. And as that does make its way across, you can see some of these heavier storms making their way and becoming a little more individual storms, and that does help some of this rotation fuel into that area. And you can see some of these purples and even whites. That is heavy storms at that, so you definitely need to prepare as we do go closer to this severe weather risk. This does push across the area further. This is around 6:30 this afternoon. Going into your evening hours, still seeing some of these moving their way across into parts of Alabama by 7 p.m. and then they're inching their way out of the area by 10 p.m. Clouds are moving out as well as the rainfall, and that leaves for a more sunny Sunday. Today, though, with the threats, we are seeing all types of severe weather, that heavy rainfall, strong winds, large hail, and even the possibility of an isolated tornado. Some could be stronger and longer tracks at that. So still tracking that as we go throughout the rest of the day. Early afternoon to your evening is the peak timing of that, and then could be seeing a bit of stronger, significant weather at that. Let me go ahead and say you should be preparing this morning or getting closer to your mid-morning or lunchtime hours, because you need to prepare before it actually happens. So unsafe places, you need to be in an interior room of your house, probably with pillows and blankets as well, and you could go ahead and layer your alert system before it actually happens, because if one of them goes out and that's the only one that you have, you won't be getting these alerts or severe weather impacts close to your area. And looking at your 7-day forecast, we see that risk today, but tomorrow is completely different. Dry and just a few degrees cooler, so Sunday is definitely the better day of your weekend. And then we do cool back down for your Monday. Still about average temperatures, though. The clouds and warm temperatures do build back into the area by the middle to end of next week.